Are you kids having fun? Oh, I see some pretty paintings.
Are you kidding? This isn't nearly as good as that.
Yeah, I guess I'm not artistic enough to paint.
Hang on. Painting isn't just about how good you are. Sometimes it's just about having fun. Plus, for that painting, I didn't even use a brush.
Really?
What do you mean?
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. See, painting's not just for the artistic or smart. There's a wonderful thing called fluid art.
Fluid art.
Fluid art, where everyone can have some fun. Acrylic pour.
Acrylic pour.
Now let's learn a little more. Let me show you what it's all about. Fill a cup, your first flip cup. Add a drop of silicone. Try a swipe, what's all the hype? Make a style that's all your own. Tap your brush to add some snow. Strainers make a fun design. Chains can make the flowers grow. But some techniques are hard, you know. For example, flip, cup, swipe, ring, pour, touch, pour, bloom, bloom, swipe, pearl, pour, open cup, straight, pour. Once you start, you will see you are hooked, just like me. Once you start, you will see you are hooked, just like me. Once you start, you will see you are hooked, just like me. Once you start, you will see you are hooked, just like me. Once you start, you will see you are hooked, just like me. You will see. Choose a pouring medium, water, flow, trol, or glue. Mix it with acrylic paint. Thick or thin is up to you. Spinners, tools, and things are fun, but they're not required to start. Pick a style, a simple